Hello everybody, here we got a mega wall and it's mounted to a pedestal stand. And what if we want to get this to light up? Some people like it lit up, some people like to put decals or stickers on, but in this case we want to light it up. So here you see we have our key that comes with the pedestal. We're going to open that up. And here you see we have a cable with a white connector. What we're gonna do is we're going to open up our machine. We're gonna unscrew the panel because behind this panel, we will see our control board, in which case we could connect the LED connector to. So here, we took our panel off and you can see our control board here. We're gonna take this cable. I'm gonna take off this wire tie with some scissors. Right here, some scissors. Or maybe a blade, but I should be able to get it right here without cutting the cord. Okay. And then I'm gonna need a little flashlight, I think. But there's a hole right here. It's right here. So I'm gonna feed this through. The cord should be extra long. And then I'm going to put it right here in the top right. I'm gonna take a quick peek here to see if that worked. There it did. So here we'll close that up. Boom, boom. We will screw this panel back on. We'll clean that cord up a little bit. A little tape, a little black duct tape is a little better. And really what we'll do is we'll just clean this up so the cord doesn't get in the way of the technician shutting the door. And here you can see. And then here we're gonna close it. I'll put these screws back on, but you can see I closed it, and that is how you connect the LED lights to your pedestal stand right here.